नमस्कार. RDX गोवाच्या कोंकणी खबरां चित्रात तुमकां सगळ्यांक प्रणिता नार्वेकराचो येवकार. पळोवया गोंयच्यो मुखेल खबरो. लुसोफोनिया खेळांचे साधन सुविधांचे कामकाज बेशिस्त तयारी आणि अप्रामाणिक व्यवहार हाचे मदीं घुसपला, काँग्रेसीचो आरोप. मार्केट घोटाळ्यांतल्या गुन्यांवकारांचेर कारवाय जायना तो मेरेन मार्केटाचे तिसरे टप्प्याचे कामाक सुरवात करची न्हय, महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादोन दिल्या शिटकावणी. आणि 16 म्हयने जाले तरी मुख्य म्हायती आयुक्त आणि राज्य म्हायती आयुक्त नेमपाक सरकाराक आयला अपेस, राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीन केला आरोप. आता खबरो विस्तारान. फुडाराक जावपी लुसोफोनिया खेळांचे साधन सुविधांचे कामकाज बेशिस्त तयारी आणि अप्रामाणिक व्यवहार हांचे मदीं घुसपला, असो आरोप काँग्रेसीचे आमदार रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्स हांणी केला. सरकारान लुसोफोनिया खेळाचे मुख्य अधिकाऱ्यांचे वळखीन अणभव नाशिल्ले सिम्प्लेक्स प्रोजेक्ट लिमिटेड ह्या कंपनीक कंत्राट दिल्यात, अशें तांणी फुडें सांगलां. पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोलीचो रिपोर्ट.
Lusofonia Games, a saga of haphazard preparations, corruption and absurd discrimination. The third edition of Lusofonia Games, scheduled to be held on 2nd to 10th November 2013 in Goa, is hardly 4 months away. However, this multinational sports event is besieged by massive preparation, dishonest deals, strange biases towards well-known Catholic luminaries in the field of sports administration. What an irony! The so-called Chief Minister, Parivartan Chief Minister, Manohar Parrikar, the Goa government has given a composite package to one massive Simplex Projects Private Limited, a company from Hyderabad which has no experience in professional athletic tracks. Coincidentally, it is noted that Keshav Chandra, a IAS officer, IAS Sports Secretary, and the CEO of Lusofonia Games also hails from Hyderabad. The construction company from Hyderabad has in turn sublet the works to Sports Infratech, a new company floated by Massive Jubilee Sports, which is blacklisted by the CBI for supply of substandard sports equipment for Commonwealth 2010. It is strange, under this Parrikar rule, a blacklisted company is now executing works of laying down the tracks for Lusofonia Games. The tracks, the amount valued at almost 12 crores. Actually, the CPWD, as per CPWD manual, the laying of tracks has to be done by CPWD in conjugation with SAI. The government has failed to take advice of CPWD and SAI. This shows that there is manhandling of job, that it is handling of job with conflict of interest for the company Simplex Project Private Limited. The main point of laying this synthetic track on the soil testing has not been done properly. Secondly, the track has been approved. The track which has to be approved doesn't suit Goa climatic conditions. According to well-placed international norms, the cost of laying the imported track is done in dollars. Go to see our government has given in rupees. This clearly indicates the manipulations, the fast money, that is corruption, that is there in that thing. And this we get because Goans elected a clean Mr. Clean Manohar Parrikar. The athletic tracks of Mapsa and Bambali itself is a fiasco. The 400-meter warm-up track, which is mandatory as per rules, only 200, warm-up track is 200. There is a difference in timing also, that it is injurious to the runner. And the inside field cannot be used for football. The 400-meter track installed in fuel lanes, as is done in Chhatrapati Sports Complex in Pune and Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Delhi. I am very sorry to say, even this crucial matter has not been taken up by our dynamic Dr. Rufin Montero, a renowned cardiologist. He has failed to take up this matter, which is of utmost importance also.
पहिले आणि दुसरे टप्प्यातले पणजे मार्केट घोटाळ्यांतले गुन्यांवकारांचेर कारवाय जायना तो मेरेन मार्केटाचे तिसरे टप्प्याचे कामाक सुरवात करची न्हय, अशी शिटकावणी पणजेचे महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो हांणी दिल्या. मार्केट घोटाळ्याचो अहवाल पालिके कडेन आयला आणि ह्या अहवालाचेर चर्चा करपा खातीर खासा बैठक आपयतले, अशी माहिती तांणी फुडें दिल्या. पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोलीचो रिपोर्ट.
True or false? The media was after me saying that when I'm going on hunger strike, when I'm going on hunger strike. I said if the report does not come, that we will go on hunger strike. But the very reason that we said we will go on hunger strike, the report has come finally to us. Yesterday in 1:30 in the afternoon, this is the report. Report says containing page 1 to 16, report containing page 1 to 16 and annexure 1 to 8. There's a letter. I am directed in close here with the subject report containing pages 1 to 16 and annexures 1 to 8 with a request to furnish your comments most urgently so as to place the same before the government. Has come to me, market scam report. Why should I give my comments to the government? I will place this report before the corporation special meeting. My corporators will decide and tell me what action I should be taken. Based on that, I will take action. I will just write a letter to government. Thank you, I am a receiver of your report. I am going through it. I should like comments. We'll see afterwards. Action. I want to take action. Those culprits who have finished the market should be booked, and I will do it. Come what may, I will not come under any pressure. And I am saying that government should stop the third phase of the Panjim municipal market until the government and the CCB decides on the scam of the first and second phase. The original Goans should be given their shops back. I do not understand whether this government is for Goans or for non-Goans. In any part of India, if you go in any city of the state, you will find that the market is run by the original people of that area. If you go to Kerala, Keralites. If you go to Hyderabad, Hyderabad. If you go to Delhi, Delhiites. If you go to Andhra, Andhraites. But in Panjim or in any cities of Goa, whether it's Margao, Mapsa, Kurchore, Sange, where are the Goans running this thing? All are run by business run by migrants.
16 महिने झाले तरी मुख्य माहिती आयुक्त आणि राज्य माहिती आयुक्त नेमपाक सरकाराक अपेस आयला असो आरोप राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीचे म्हणयारे ट्रॉयजन डिमेलो हांणी केला. मुख्यमंत्र्याचे या धोरणाक लागून माहिती हक्क कायदो पांगळो जावपाक लागला अशी टिकाय तांणी फुडें केल्या. पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोलीचो रिपोर्ट.
See, we all know that today the government that is being run by a political party, that is the BJP, the way it is functioning in Goa, एक सिद्ध जाता ही दोन तोंडाची मालवणा. You see, all in the level they talk of big things, of democratic norms. आणि हांगासर आमचो मुख्यमंत्री जी आसा, well established, accepted by all political parties, which is the RTI Commission, was 16 महिने झाले सत्तेर हा, अजूनपासून स्टेट इन्फॉर्मेशन कमिशनर आणि चीफ इन्फॉर्मेशन कमिशनर अपॉइंट जायना. वो कमिशन जी आसा, हे कमिशनाचें काम न्हू फक्त अपील आयकोपाक, ते अपील आनी एप्लिकेशन तो कितले शेकड्यांचे पडलेले आसात ते सोडून दी. हे कमिशनाचें काम महत्वाचें काम म्हणटा तें टू सी दॅट RTI इज फंक्शनिंग इफेक्टिवली इन ऑल डिपार्टमेंट्स. So by not appointing this, you have brought the entire RTI Act into paralysis of all departments. Totally it is paralyzed because the monitoring, supervising of this Act lies with the Chief Information Commission and the State Information Commissioner. This itself, if this is not throttling democratic institutions, if not aborting, then what is it? त्याने एक प्री सिलेक्शन पॅनल सिलेक्ट केले. वो प्री सिलेक्शन पॅनल ते कित्याक दवरला ते म्हाका समजूंक ना. तेणें तोच कित्याक डायरेक्टली करिना. ते चीफ मिनिस्टर, opposition leader and one more minister is the final selection committee. वो प्री सिलेक्शन पॅनल जे आसा ते सगळे सबऑर्डिनेट ऑफिसर्स तेजे अंडर. प्री सिलेक्शन कमिटी काडला पॅनल. हे आतां एप्लिकंट्स आहात न्हू, about 12, they will shortlist. शॉर्ट लिस्टान तुझे सबऑर्डिनेट शॉर्ट लिस्ट करतले म्हणजे तूच सांगतले वयता जातले सो ते आनी दवरला कित्याक सो अशें अनडेमोक्रेटिकली जी तो वागता आनी हुकुमशाहीन तो जी चलयता आनी ती फाटी आरती मेहता हांगासर येयली तुमी जाणा आसता तेन्ना वी वील टेक गोवा मॉडल दे हॅव गॉट 2 मॉडल्स टू टेक ऑल इंडिया फॉर द लोकसभा शी सेड इट आय एम नॉट सेइंग इट शील टेक गो.
आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव.
The Glitz, in their true reflection of the names, comprise of 150 and 46 tastefully furbished rooms and suites. Fish just the way you like it. Experience a stunning variety of fresh seafood delicacies. Here, exotic ingredients and mouth-watering sauces come together in a sympathy of flavors, just the way you like it. Managed by Soza Lobo, Neelam Hotels, The Glitz Goa, Kalangut, Bardez, Goa.
High-speed broadband internet now in your area. Internet at home, in office, for gaming, for every professional. No more waiting. Call 8888886109 or go to www.ethernetexpress.com.
अंकल आप ठीक तो हो ना?
बेटा थैंक यू. ये क्या है?
कुछ नहीं अंकल, अभी ब्लड डोनेट करके आई हूँ.
बेटा तुम्हें तो बहुत कमजोरी महसूस होती होगी.
कोई कमजोरी नहीं अंकल, हर 3 महीने में करती हूँ.
अच्छा.
नेकी के लिए पहलवान नहीं इंसान होना जरूरी है. रक्तदान कीजिए, कमजोरी नहीं होती, शरीर उस खून को जल्दी बना लेता है.
सोचिए मत, करके देखिए, अच्छा लगता है.
The UK concept-based preschool now in Goa, Sanford, where learning begins. Our schools have spacious, highly colorful, conceptual and air-conditioned classrooms. Sanford Activity Arcade provides rich learning experience to the children. Sanford schools have mini auditorium equipped with small stage and audio-video equipment to give children stage exposure. Play area is equipped with swings, slides, bouncy, mini train, merry-go-round and many other play equipments. The nutritious midday meal is a special facility at Sanford.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो.
राखपाक गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो.
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजीक आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात.
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो.
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा, पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो.
राखपा गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो. कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीतकाय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? येवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. कालवी पुलाचे काम ह्या म्हयन्याचे अखेर मेरेन पुराय जातले अशें उतर मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार हांणी दिला. पावसाक लागून कांय कामां आपणान बंद करपाक लायिल्ल्यान सध्या हे काम बंद आसा. मात पावस सोंपले उपरांत वेल्डिंग करपाची कामां सुरू जातली अशें तांणी मुखार सांगले. आसले तरी हे काम आनी 3 म्हयने तरी पुराय जावचे ना अशें दिसून आयला. पळयात खासा रिपोर्ट.
Kalvi bridge is near completion. It got delayed slightly because of that increase in span from 100 meters to 120 meters. And I have instructed very clearly during rainy season no welding to be done. So they have halted the work till the rain subsides. Rain झाले की रोकडा by this month of it.
कालवीत बस न्हंयत पडून जाल्ल्या अपघातांत कांय थळाव्या लोकांक बुडून मरण आयिल्ले. ह्या फाटभुंयेर भाजप सरकार सत्तेर आयल्या उपरांत एका वर्सा भितर कालवी पूल तयार करतले अशें उतर मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार हांणी निवडणुकां आदीं आल्दोणकारांक दिल्लें. मात सरकाराक 1.5 वर्स जालें तरी अजून मेरेन कालवी पुलाचें काम पुराय जावंक ना. आतां मुखेलमंत्री ह्या म्हयन्या भितर पुलाचें काम पुराय जातलें अशें सांगतात. मात कालवी पुलाचेर वचून खरी परिस्थिती पळयली जाल्यार आनीक 3 म्हयने तरी आल्दोणकारांक पुलाच्या उक्तावणाची वाट पळोवची पडटली. आमचे मुखेल संपादक दर्शन लोलयेकार आनी प्रतिनिधी गौतम शिरोडकार हांणी पुलाची पळोवणी केली तेन्ना पुलाचे दोनूय वटेंतले जोड रस्ते तयार जाल्ल्याचें दिसलें. पूण न्हंयचेर अजून कांयच कामां जावंक नात. पुराय न्हंयचेर पूल बांदपाक सुमार 200 आधार ट्रस्ट आसतले. तातूंतले फकत 10 ट्रस्टांचें काम जालां. उरिल्ले सुमार 190 ट्रस्ट तयार जावन तांकां वयर उखलून वेल्डिंग आनी ताचेर कॉन्क्रीट आनी डांबर घातले उपरांतूच हें काम पुराय जातलें अशें म्हणूं येता. थंय आशिल्ले कामगारां कडेन उलयले तेन्ना ह्या कामाक 2 ते 3 म्हयने वतले अशें तांणी सांगलें. हाचे वेल्यान मुखेलमंत्र्यान जरी एका म्हयन्या भितर कालवी पुलाचें काम पुराय जातलें म्हटलें तरी अल्दोनेच्या लोकांक उक्तावणा खातीर अजूनय कांय म्हयने वाट पळोवची पडटली.
हालींच पणजे शारांत फिल्माचें शूटिंग चलताना डॉक्टर ऑस्कर रिबेलो हांचेर जाल्ले धक्काबुक्की प्रकरण गंभीरपणान घेवन पणजी पालिकेन शूटिंग करपा खातीर कांय नवे नियम चालीक लायल्यात. ह्या नियमा प्रमाण आतां पणजे शारांत शेनवार आनी आयतार नाजाल्यार भौशीक सुटये दिसा फिल्माचें चित्रीकरण करपाक मेळटलें अशी माहिती महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो हांणी दिल्या. पणजेच्यान संजय मुलानीचो रिपोर्ट.
You are aware that there was a lot of problem a fortnight back on the film shooting at Kampal. An eminent doctor was assaulted by bouncers, and there were allegation by the film fraternity that certain associations were taking money, and there were allegation that our staff were also asking for bribes. That is the time I stepped in and I said enough is enough. I will stop all the film shootings in Panjim city until I study the matter. And finally the commissioner, myself and a few corporators have sat together and we have formed these guidelines to be followed during film shooting in the jurisdiction of the corporation city of Panjim. Film shooting on main roads will be allowed only on Saturdays, Sundays and public holidays. Any interior roads sought for filming can be considered on other day after proper inspection and analysis of the size of the film shoot. All waste at site will be segregated in 4 color bags as followed by CCB. 2 sweepers and 2 trolley bins should be provided at the site by the producers. Any blockage of road will be done only with the coordination and express consent of the traffic police. This is very important. Utmost care should be taken of all public properties, roads, footpaths and public monuments. No damage to public property to be tolerated, and in case reported claims will be recovered. It should be ensured that privacy of private residences around the film shooting area is not disturbed nor there should be any trespassing into private property without express consent. All permission issued by the Panjim Town Police, Panji Traffic Police Cell and the District Magistrate North as well as the Corporation of the City of Panji should be kept handy at the location of the shoot for inspection by any official of the corporation or for the matter the police or the traffic cell. The parking of vehicles pertaining to the film shoot will be allowed at the following location. This is very important. Below Mandavi Bridge, Service Road in front of GMC building, lane adjacent to Gracia de Orth Garden at Church Square, Miramar Circle, lane adjacent to Kala Academy, and the last is the parade ground. These are the guidelines which we have framed, and based on this we will give the licenses. If they do not follow, the licenses will be cancelled. We are very strict on this. That penalty, in case there is any damages and all, definitely yes, the penalty will be given, and we will charge 1 lakh rupees a day. No penalty for shooting. Nobody beside CCB, no other organization will be allowed to collect any money except if the producers want to shoot their films in the private residences or verandas of a particular house. That owner of that house can demand a certain sum of amount from the producers.
दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लो पंचायतीच्या सदस्यांक विकास कामां खातीर प्रत्येकी 1 कोटीचो निधी दितले अशें आश्वासन मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार हांणी दिल्ल्याची माहिती दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लो पंचायतीचे अध्यक्षा नेली रॉड्रिग्स हिणें स्थायी समितीचे बसके वेळार दिल्या. तशेंच ह्या बैठकीत 1 म्हयन्याचो पगार उत्तराखंड पिडेस्तांक दिवपाचो निर्णय दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लो पंचायत सदस्यांनी घेतला. मडगांवच्यान मंदार नायकाचो रिपोर्ट.
Today, main points of the agenda were regarding the fixing the dates for the district planning committee, and it is finalized now that we should have it in October. So we are going to get ahead, and I have requested all my members to get in touch with the secretaries so that we get the village plans as early as possible, and then we have taken a decision for having felicitation of the highest rankers of SSC and higher secondary, and we are going to organize the best science quiz project. Other important decisions that we took were each member has decided to give their 1 month salary towards the Uttarakhand Relief Fund, and I also briefed the members about the interaction and meeting that I had, 3 consecutive meetings that I have had with the Honorable Chief Minister, and he promised that within 1.5 months he will try to do something for us. And I also reminded him that his promise to us was 1 crore, and that would be the only way we would be satisfied. And other points were to give us something from RDA and shifting of the office, which is already done by him. Taken up is to organize science awareness projects in all the constituencies of South Goa. These were the major issues that we took up.
आता घेऊया आनी एक व्यावसायिक विसव.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences, with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
The best of the best. An institute, a name that hotel industry trusts.
खरेंच मनशाच्या नशिबान बरयला ते कोणाच्यानच वाचूंक जायना, पण एन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट एंड एडमिशन घेवन बरें शिकप करून हॉटेलाचो मॅनेजर जावन फुडाराक तुज्यान एक व्हडलो मनीस जावं येता. देखून एडमिशन घे फकत एन इन्स्टिट्यूट पोरवोरेम.
To be the best, you have to learn from the best. An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, a name that hotel industry trusts. Admissions open for degree and diploma courses.
an institute of hotel management and catering technology, Goa's first ISO 9001-2000 certified educational institute. Nova Sidadi Commercial Complex, S1 Building, Alto Pororim, Padres, Goa. Contact 0832 241 1350 or 9326 114919.
ए सुची लग्ना उपरांत तुका आमच्या घरांत कितें जाय
प्रिन्स प्रिन्स
Prince Furniture is #1 furniture showroom for all your home furnishing needs. Comfortable and designer sofas with lots of varieties. Stylish divans. Spacious and best quality wardrobes. Prince Furniture for strong and latest designing dining tables, for wall mount showcases, for large variety of stylish beds. Visit our showroom at Piran Industrial Estate.
आमच्या स्वप्नातले घर सजयता प्रिन्स फर्निचर.
तुमचे घर कोण सजयता?
Prince Furniture is the best furniture.
हेलो अंकल.
हेलो.
मैं आपको थैंक यू कहना चाहती हूँ.
थैंक यू किस लिए?
वो एक्चुअली मुझे ना थैलेसीमिया है और हर महीने आप जैसे अंकल आंटी खून देते हैं और मेरी मदद करते हैं, पर मुझे पता नहीं वो कौन है, इसलिए सबको थैंक यू बोल देती हूँ. सो थैंक यू.
पर बेटा मैंने तो कभी ब्लड डोनेट किया ही नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए बाय
बाय.
18 साल की उम्र से रक्तदान करें, ये किसी की जिंदगी बचा सकता है.
करके देखो.
अच्छा लगता है.
The Grand, in its true reflection of the name, comprises of 150 tastefully furbished rooms and suites. Pan Global, the new international standard world cuisine restaurant. It is an exclusive fine dining a la carte restaurant that serves fares spanning the entire globe. Neelam's The Grand, Post Office Road, Kalangut, Bades, Goa.
Sai Kishan Transport undertakes sewage and water waste suction maintenance services. Anywhere at any time, 24-hour service available all over Goa. Sai Kishan Transport undertakes sewage and water waste suction maintenance services. Contact us at 09637164777, 09822137923. Also email us arvind.dabolkar@yahoo.com.
विसव उपरांत तुमकां परत एक फावट येवकार. काँग्रेस सरकाराच्या काळात आपूण भलायकी मंत्री असताना चालीक लायले 108 सेवेचो सध्या लोकांक सारको फायदो जायना असो आरोप आदले भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांणी केला. आपतकालीन वेळार एखाद्याचो जीव वाचचो म्हूण 108 सेवा चालीक लायली, मात आता भाजपा सरकाराच्या काळात लोकांक जाय तसो ह्या सेवेचो लाव जायना. अपघात जाले उपरांत रोखडेच घडणूक थळाचेर पावपाक 108 रुग्ण सेवेक अपेस येता. भलायकी मंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत बार्सेकाराचे सारके लक्ष नाशिल्ल्यान हे असले प्रसंग येतात अशें तांणी फुडें सांगलां. पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोलीचो रिपोर्ट.
Constantly saying for the last 16 months that this health minister has totally failed in his job as a health minister of Goa. I had also made an appeal through your media to ask the chief minister to personally look into this portfolio. 108, when I was there, we used to have regular audits and there used to be experts running this. Now that expert and professional approach of running 108 has absolutely gone. The other day somebody was telling me, you were saying this now, that the diesel tank is leaking is an excellent glaring example of the neglect. 108, what we had built up the brand of 108 was the lifeline of the people of Goa. And we used to compete between different ambulances, is which ambulance in which area and which paramedics and which driver and auto, those pilots who used to attend to an emergency and the minimum time for attendance and bringing that particular person to the hospital. Today I was reading an article of the health minister, says in Bicholim we will see in next couple of days. Then why did you inaugurate? Are you so hungry to put up plaques up? This is a situation everywhere. There are no experts running 108 now. The minimum time 108 takes to come for any emergency is more than 20-25 minutes. I am not saying it, you can ask any common man who has experience of the last 2 years, is that the 108 is now turning out to be a total failure. The staff that is there, and see the hygiene inside the 108. When we were there, we used to ask EcoClean and others, all the staff there of the cleaning setup in the respective PHC and CHC to help them clean up the ambulance every day. It was in spick and span, and there should be hygienic with disinfectants, everything properly kept as per international standards. And also I would like to share with you, is there's a specific protocol to maintain the ambulance. There's no protocol now to maintain the ambulance. The condition of the ambulance is a glaring example of what importance the government of Goa and the health ministry is giving the health of the people of Goa. What importance it is giving to the health of the citizens of Goa and emergency services like the 108.
भाजपा सरकार सामान्य मनशाचे सरकार असा असे आमदार गणेश गावकर हांणी सांगला. सावड्डे मतदारसंघातल्या खण पिडेस्तांक सरकाराची आर्थिक सहाय्य दिवपी पॅकेजीचे मंजुरी पत्रका भेटले उपरांत ते उलयताले. कुळेच्यान एकनाथ खेडेकराचो रिपोर्ट.
स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंटा पैशांतली दिलेली साधारण म्हाका दिसता फ्री ऑर्डर आसता त्यो 56,000 आसतली. तुम्ही एक बेश्टो अंदाज करा, 1,000 गुणिले 56,000 आणि गुणिले 7 महिने जाल्या कितले पयशे जाले पळया. पयशे सगळे त्या मनशाच्या अकाउंटाक येतले. आनी हें करता आसतना खूब ते प्रोसिजर आसा. म्हाका एकट्या दोन जाणां कोणाक समज मातशें फाटीं उरली जाल्यार काय बी म्हाजी गरज ना, कित्याक सगळ्याक सारकेच पयशे मेळटले ते. एक ट्रक आसता तेका 8,000, 2 ट्रक आसता तेका 12,000. आयज जाल्यार फाल्यां ते 11,000 पयशे 11,000चे कितें जाता, 11,000 समज आयच्यान मेळ्ळे जाल्यार आयच्यान मेळटा ते मागीर कोणाक एक म्हयने जाता 1,000 करून मेळटा. एक प्रयत्न आसा म्हाजे चालू आसा कितें करपाक की आमच्या सावड्डे मतदारसंघाच्या प्रत्येक घराक सरकाराचे कितें तरी बेनिफीट वचपाक जाय. म्हाका दिसता साधारण 95% घराक आमचे कडच्यान म्हाका सरकारा कडच्यान कितें ना कितें तरी पावला. जावं गृह आधार, जावं लाडली लक्ष्मी, जावं DSS, जावं ट्रकाची पॅकेज, जावं खंयची स्कॉलरशीप, नाजाल्यार आनी कितें मेडिकल बेनिफीट, हे सरकाराच्या प्रत्येक फॅमिली एक तरी मनशाक मेळपाक जाय. आनी आमी ते सगळे हें करताले, स्क्रुटिनायज करताले. आमच्या गोंयांत जेन्ना 1 वर्स जालें बंद जालें आनी मायनींग बंद जाल्या कारणान सगळे जे पेट्रोल कोंतार आसा, कामगार आसात मायनींगचे डिपेंडंट आपल्याला, तेंकां सगळ्यांक आमच्या सरकारान आर्थीक पॅकेज जाहीर केलें. आनी मनोहरबाईचे जे सरकार आसा आतां गोंयांत जे जे पळय कितें उलयता किंवा प्रॉमीस करता तेची 100% पूर्तता करता. कारण आमच्या मतदारसंघात आज 950 पॅकेजीचे वांटप जाल्लें आहा. आतां सकाळच्यान हांवें 3 पंचायती कवर केले. धारबांदोडा, आमचे साकोर्डा, मागीर मोले आनी आतां आमी हांगसर कुळें आसा तो कुळें करतले. तेजे उपरांत मागीर काल्या, किल्लपण आनी सावड्डे. आयज सबंद दीसभर आमी ते सगळ्यो पॅकेजीचे जे पळय सँक्शन ऑर्डर आसा त्यो सगळ्या लोकां पर्यंत बेनिफिशरी पर्यंत पावोवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा आनी आमचे कडेन पावयतले.
निमाणे कडेन परत एक फावट पळोवया गोंयच्यो मुखेल खबरो. लुसोफोनिया खेळांचे साधन सुविधांचे कामकाज बेशिस्त तयारी आणि अप्रामाणिक व्यवहार हाचे मदीं घुसपला, काँग्रेसीचो आरोप. मार्केट घोटाळ्यांतल्या गुन्यांवकारांचेर कारवाय जायना तो मेरेन मार्केटाचे 3रे टप्प्याचे कामाक सुरवात करची न्हय, महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादोन दिल्या शिटकावणी. आणि 16 महिने जाले तरी मुख्य म्हायती आयुक्त आणि राज्य म्हायती आयुक्त नेमपाक सरकाराक आयला अपेस, राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीन केला आरोप. तर इतल्यान गोंयच्यो कोंकणी खबरो हांगा सोंपता. तुमी पळयत रावा RDX गोवा. देव बरें करूं.